Next events 26, September 28, 2011. Nibiru, Elenin, the immediate danger of the Canary Islands. Friends, the volcano in the Canary Islands is an exponential increase in activity, the pressure of magma being heated by the high solar activity, or by gravitational influences in the tectonic plates that will be exposed in the coming months, may cause in a very short term, an event of epic proportions. Like an explosion of Yellowstone, the Canary Islands represent a possible worldwide catastrophe. The USGS does not provide real-time information for this volcano. Since the middle of July until today, the island has had 8,000 earthquakes, an average of 106 earthquakes a day, indicating a tremendous activity. Teams are working with equipment and drilling on the slope of the volcano, but published reports are not accurate about what is actually happening. So, be alert, because it seems that some event is expected involving the volcano at any time. This video was made due to the large influx of questions about this volcano in our channel, and this is the reality of the facts. Thanks for watching. Join our channel. You are welcome there.